Good morning students. Today I am explaining tangent normal 7 marks important sum. Given curves are ax square plus by square equal to 1, that is first one. a1x square plus b1y square equal to 1, that is second one. Okay. ax square plus by square equal to a1x square plus b1y square, that is a minus a1 into x square plus b minus b1 into y square equal to 0. Okay. a minus a1 into x square equal to minus of b minus b1 into y square. Okay. That x square by y square equal to minus b minus b1 by a minus a1. Okay. This is the third equation. ax square plus by square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. A into 2x plus b into 2by dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to minus 2ax by 2by. Okay. dy by dx equal to minus ax by by. This is m1. dy by dx వచ్చేసి పాయింట్ x1 y1 minus ax1 by by1. Same like that a1x square plus b1y square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. a1 into 2x plus b1 into 2y dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. dy by dx వచ్చేసి minus 2ax by 2by. Okay. 2a1x by 2b1y, that is m2 equal to dy by dx at point p x1 y1 equal to minus a1x1 by b1 y1. Here question what they given orthogonally. m1 and m2 cuts orthogonally. Orthogonally cutting means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 means minus ax1 by by1. m2 means minus a1x1 by b1y1 equal to minus 1. That is minus a1 x1 square b1 y1 square equal to 1. Okay. Finally x1 square by y1 square means minus a1 bb1 into minus b minus b1 by a minus a1 equal to 1. Okay. That is a minus a1 by a1 equal to b minus b1 by bb1, that is 1 by a as 1 by b equal to 1 by a1 1 by b1. This is the answer.